What is up, you guys? So right now I'm actually gonna start heading over to the gym. Me and my sister are gonna go to the gym. She wanted me to go with her. So I'm about to take a C4 shot right now and see how that goes. Alright, so what I usually do is just grab the scoop, put it in my mouth, and then chug water down. So let's go ahead and do it. You might want to have water in the other hand just to get ready and do it quick. Alright, so the reason why I did it that way is I've seen FouseyTube do it when he was working out and doing all his workouts to lose weight. I saw him do that and he said it would hit him faster than, normally. I asked a guy at GNC and he also said that will hit you faster compared to drinking it with water in a bottle. It usually takes about 30 minutes to do that. So let's see how long it takes to kick in. Where are we going?
To the gym.
I think she just wanted somebody to go with her. That's why she asked me to go, but...
Why isn't my air working?
Because you just turned on your car. But I guess I'll show you guys the next clip once we're at the gym. Try to get some recording or something. You probably got it set to the back. So I'm currently still at the gym, you guys. I can't really record much. There's no recording allowed in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue my clips when I get out of here, alright? About to hit them hydro chairs or whatever they're called. It's supposed to be your water shooting up, hitting your back and your whole body. Kind of like a massage. What'd you say?
Never mind, I saw 10 minutes.
Oh, alright. Well, I'm gonna get started. See, guys, it shows where the water's hitting now. Basically hits your whole body. Change the speed and stuff. Alright, pressure and speed. Get more pressure. Oh, okay. That actually feels good. I don't know if you guys can see the water bouncing up and down. Oh, it's pretty much just hitting your legs. It's actually getting the back of my neck right now. Hopefully you guys can hear me because things are really loud. Your diet starts when? I thought I was recording this on the Your diet starts when?
My diet started already. I lost 2 pounds, 3 pounds.
Why aren't you eating your apple? Why are you trying to eat some of my bread?
That's part of my other diet for Monday.
How many diets are you on?
Eat your whole motherfucking thing if I want to. I'm counting calories right now.
What y'all eating?
Chicken.
Ass. Yeah.
Ida got you fucked up. She deleted the comment because she's like, I don't know if that was Ali or not.
What comment?
What'd she put?
Today I'm going to be trying on 2 shirts that I'm trying to probably get here at the store. Not sure which one I like. One's an extra large and one's a large. We're going to go see which one looks better. We're going to try them on and go from there. Alright? So I was planning on going with this one. It's a large. I'm not in the best shape, but this is a large. Alright, now I'm gonna put on the extra large. And this is the extra large. You guys can see, I think it's a lot more baggier and stuff, so okay, I'm gonna go with this one. I don't like the bagginess on it, so I think I'm just gonna go with the other one. Out here in Stillwater, Minnesota, we're getting in a boat. Gonna do a boat cruise and a buffet is what it is.